Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest in tech and lifestyle gadgets. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best full head toothbrush on the market, the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500. This isn't just any electric toothbrush. It's packed with features designed to give you a next-level clean. Stick around as we break down why this could be your next dental care essential. The Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 isn't just about brushing, it's about smart brushing. It boasts advanced features that elevate your daily dental routine. First off, it removes up to 10 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush, thanks to its powerful sonic technology. That means cleaner teeth and healthier gums with every use. Let's talk about some standout features. It comes equipped with a pressure sensor that alerts you if you're brushing too hard, helping to protect your gums from overbrushing. Plus, there's a progress report that provides real-time guidance on improving and maintaining your brushing habits, ideal for anyone serious about oral health. One size doesn't fit all when it comes to dental care, which is why the ExpertClean 7500 offers customizable settings. With 4 modes: Clean, White Plus, Gum Health, and Deep Clean Plus Care, and 3 intensities. You can tailor your brushing experience to suit your needs and preferences. It's like having a personal dentist at your fingertips. Ever wondered when to replace your brush head? The brush sync technology in this model notifies you exactly when it's time, ensuring optimal performance. Speaking of accessories, it includes a charging travel case, charger, and premium brush heads for plaque control and gum health, everything you need for on-the-go convenience. From user reviews and personal testing, the ExpertClean 7500 consistently receives high marks for its effectiveness and ease of use. Users appreciate its ergonomic design and how it fits seamlessly into their daily routines, making it a top choice for those serious about their oral hygiene. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your dental care routine, the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 is a standout option. With its advanced features, customizable settings, and proven results, it's no wonder this model is highly recommended by dentists and users alike. Whether you're combating plaque buildup or aiming for a brighter smile, this toothbrush delivers. Check the links in the description to get yours today. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Leave your comments below on what you'd like us to review next. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, empowering your buying decisions with honest insights. Stay tuned.